Welcome to the tranquil world of guided meditation. Here, we invite you to step away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in a realm of calm and serenity. This practice offers a sanctuary from the relentless demands of daily life, allowing you to reconnect with your inner peace. Imagine a place where the noise fades away, and all that remains is the gentle whisper of nature. Through gentle guidance, you will embark on a journey to quiet the mind, relax the body, and cultivate a deep sense of well-being. Picture yourself sitting by a flowing river, the sunlight dancing on the water as you breathe in tranquility and exhale stress. Guided meditation is a simple yet profound practice accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a complete beginner, this journey is for you. It involves following a series of instructions provided by a trained practitioner or a recording. These instructions are designed to help you focus your mind and let go of distractions. These instructions gently guide your attention to your breath, bodily sensations, or calming imagery, helping you release stress and find moments of stillness amidst the chaos. Feel the gentle waves washing over the shore, each one carrying away your worries. Unlike other forms of meditation, guided meditation provides a structured approach that is particularly helpful for beginners. The structure offers a comforting framework, making it easier to stay present and engaged. The soothing voice and calming imagery act as anchors, preventing your mind from wandering and gently guiding you back to a state of relaxation. Imagine a sunset over a calm lake, the colors reflecting on the water, as the voice guides you deeper into peace. With regular practice, guided meditation can become an invaluable tool for managing stress, reducing anxiety, and improving overall well-being. Each session builds upon the last, creating a foundation of inner calm that you can carry with you throughout your day. Whether you are seeking respite from a hectic schedule or simply yearning for a few moments of peace, guided meditation offers a path to inner harmony and tranquility. Imagine stepping from a busy cityscape into a peaceful garden, where time slows down and you can breathe freely. Guided meditation offers a path to inner harmony and tranquility. It is a journey that invites you to explore the depths of your own mind and discover the peace that lies within. Let us embark on this journey of self-discovery together. As we meditate, we will uncover the layers of stress and tension, revealing the serene core of our being. Join us and let the journey begin. Before we begin our meditation, it's essential to create a serene and undisturbed space where you can fully immerse yourself in the practice. This space should be a reflection of calmness and tranquility, a place where you can escape the chaos of daily life and find inner peace. Choose a quiet corner of your home, a peaceful spot in nature, or any place where you feel safe and comfortable. It could be a cozy nook in your living room, a secluded spot in your garden, or even a serene beach where the sound of waves can soothe your mind. Dim the lights or draw the curtains to create a soft, calming ambiance. Natural light filtered through curtains can also create a gentle, soothing environment that helps you relax and focus inward. If you prefer, light a scented candle with a soothing aroma like lavender or chamomile. The gentle flicker of the candlelight combined with the calming scent can enhance your meditation experience, helping you to unwind and let go of any lingering stress. Minimize distractions by silencing your phone and any other electronic devices that might disrupt your tranquility. Consider placing your phone face down or in another room to ensure that you are not tempted to check it during your meditation. Find a comfortable seated position on a cushion or a chair, ensuring that your spine is straight but not stiff. Your posture should support a sense of alertness while also allowing you to remain relaxed and at ease. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees, palms facing up or down, whichever feels more natural to you. This simple gesture can help you feel more grounded and connected to your practice. Allow your shoulders to relax, releasing any tension you may be holding. Imagine the stress melting away from your shoulders, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Close your eyes gently, taking a moment to acknowledge the peacefulness of your surroundings. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more attuned to the serenity of your sanctuary. As you settle into your chosen space, feel your body grounding down, connecting with the support beneath you. This connection can help you feel more stable and secure, allowing you to delve deeper into your meditation practice. This is your sanctuary, a haven where you can let go of stress and embrace tranquility. Here, you can find solace and rejuvenation, a place where you can reconnect with yourself and find inner peace. The breath is a powerful tool in meditation, acting as an anchor to the present moment. As you focus on your breath, you gently draw your attention away from distracting thoughts and worries, cultivating a sense of stillness and clarity. Begin by bringing your awareness to your natural breath, observing the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. Notice the subtle sensations of each breath, the coolness of the air entering your nostrils, the gentle expansion of your chest, the warmth of your breath as you exhale. There's no need to force or control your breath. Simply observe it without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. Your breath is always present, a constant rhythm that anchors you to the present moment. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice your thoughts gradually slowing down. The incessant chatter of the mind begins to quiet, replaced by a sense of stillness and peace. This is the power of the breath, a simple yet profound tool for calming the mind and finding tranquility within. Section 4. Releasing Tension, a Head-to-Toe Relaxation Journey. Now that you've connected with your breath, let's embark on a journey of relaxation, releasing tension from every part of your body. This journey will guide you through each part of your body, helping you to let go of stress and find a deeper sense of peace. Starting with your head, gently bring your awareness to your scalp, feeling any tightness or stress. Notice if there are any areas that feel particularly tense or uncomfortable. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your scalp, releasing any tension you may be holding. Visualize this wave as a soothing, warm sensation that melts away stress. Allow this wave to flow down to your forehead, softening the muscles around your eyes and releasing any furrowed brows. Feel the relaxation spread across your forehead, smoothing out any lines of worry. Feel your jaw relax, unclenching your teeth as you surrender to a sense of ease. Notice how your face feels lighter and more at ease. Continue this wave of relaxation down your neck, feeling your shoulders drop away from your ears. Imagine the tension melting away, leaving your neck and shoulders feeling loose and free. Allow your arms to grow heavy, releasing any tension in your hands and fingers. Feel the relaxation travel down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Feel your chest expand with each inhale, creating space for peace and tranquility. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your chest. As you move down to your stomach, visualize any stress or tension melting away. Feel your abdomen soften and relax with each breath. Feel your hips relax, releasing any tightness in your lower back. Imagine the wave of relaxation spreading through your hips and lower back, bringing a sense of ease and comfort. Allow your legs to grow heavy, feeling the support of the ground beneath you. Notice how your legs feel as they relax, from your thighs down to your calves. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet, feeling them grounded and relaxed. Imagine the wave of relaxation reaching your toes, leaving your entire body feeling calm and at peace. Take a moment to appreciate this state of relaxation, knowing you can return to it whenever you need. Section 5. Embracing mindfulness, observing thoughts without judgment. As you relax more deeply, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. These thoughts may be related to your day, your worries, or simply random musings. The key to mindfulness is to observe these thoughts without judgment, acknowledging their presence without getting carried away by them. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing through the vast sky of your awareness. Some clouds may be dark and heavy, while others may be light and fluffy. Observe them without judgment, allowing them to drift by without attaching to them. If you find yourself getting caught up in a particular thought, gently acknowledge it, and then redirect your attention back to your breath. Your breath is your anchor, always present to bring you back to the present moment. Remember, mindfulness is not about stopping your thoughts altogether. It's about changing your relationship with them. By observing your thoughts without judgment, you create space for peace and tranquility to arise naturally. Section 6. The gentle art of patience, honoring your own pace. As you continue your meditation practice, it's important to approach it with a sense of patience and self-compassion. There's no need to judge yourself if your mind wanders or you find it challenging to quiet your thoughts. Meditation is a practice, and like any skill, it takes time and patience to develop. If you find yourself struggling, simply acknowledge the difficulty without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Be kind to yourself, remembering that everyone's journey with meditation is unique. Some days you may find it easier to quiet your mind than others, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to approach your practice with a sense of curiosity and openness, allowing yourself to be present with whatever arises. Remember, meditation is not a race or a competition. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and finding moments of peace amidst the busyness of life. Honor your own pace and celebrate each small victory along the way.